who is known as Punjab Kesari? Lala Lajpat Rai. When did Vasco da Gama came to India? May 20, 1498. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice? Santosh Yadav. Where is the Hawa Mahal located? Jaipur, Rajasthan. Who was the last ruler of Mughal Empire? Bahadur Shah Zafar, or Bahadur Shah II. By what name is the India-Pak border line called? Radcliffe Line. Who wrote the poem the Gita Govind? Jayadeva. What is the name of the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh? Coromandel. Who was the founder of Gupta Dynasty? King Sri Gupta. Who is known as the Lady with the Lamp? Florence Nightingale. What is responsible for yellow color of milk? Beta-carotene. Who discovered the electron? J. Thomson. Which acid is used in the car's battery? Sulfuric acid. Ujjain is situated on the banks of which river? River Shipra. What is the name of our galaxy? Milky Way. In which year did India first participated in the Olympic Games? 1900. Bhilai Steel Plant was constructed in collaboration with which country? Russia. Who was the founder of the holy city of Amritsar? Guru Ram Das. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. On which day National Sports Day is celebrated? The 29th of August. Which is the largest endocrine gland in the body? Thyroid gland. What is the process of making food by plants? Photosynthesis. Which is the oldest mountain range in India? Aravalli Range. What is the meaning of www in computer language? World Wide Web.